Hello viewers, I believe you all are doing great. Welcome back to my Indian Regional Recipes channel. Today we are making pizza at home without an oven, and I will show you how to prepare the perfect pizza base dough from a scratch. Let's get started. First we will activate the yeast. Take 5 to 7 grams of instant dry yeast. Add 1 cup of 1 tablespoon sugar and mix it with 2 cups of lukewarm water. Let it sit about 10 to 20 minutes until it becomes frothy, like bubbly and like how you see in the video. Next, add some salt according to your taste, and here I'm adding around 3 cups of maida to the yeast mixture. I'm using the same cup to measure the water. As I've added 2 cups of water, here I'm adding 3 cups of maida. Mix until a rough dough forms. The dough should be slightly sticky and smooth. It should not be too hard. Apply some olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use normal cooking oil. Just put the lid and leave it for 15-20 minutes to raise the dough double in size. And then again mix it well. Again just apply some oil and leave it again for like 15-20 minutes. Since we are not using an oven, we will saute the veggies instead. In an oven, the heat cooks the toppings from both like top and bottom. But here on tawa, when we cook, we don't have any option to cook from the top. Hence, we need to saute the vegetables. I'm sauteing corns, red, green and yellow bell peppers and carrots in some butter with a pinch of salt and pepper powder. Just a quick toss, that's all, on high heat. Don't overcook them. We want them slightly crunchy. Now let's shape the dough into round pieces. Tuck the edges as I'm showing you in the video and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes to raise again. Then gently press the dough into a round shape using your hands, your fingers. I'm using a round chopping board and a kneading sheet to help me to get that perfect round shape. You can use a round plate or anything that is in round shape to achieve that exact shape. After preparing all the round shape pizza base like this, now let's cook the pizza on the tawa like we make chapatis. Cook one side properly and leave the other side just as it is. The cooked side will be the top where we add pizza sauce and all the veggies along with some cheese and all the toppings like chili flakes or oregano, etc. So here, as I'm showing in the video, I'm adding onions and tomatoes raw and some basil leaves along with all sauteed veggies like red, green, yellow bell peppers and carrots and some corns. And I'm here adding a lot of cheese and chili flakes also I'm adding here. You can see that. If you don't want, then later also you can add chili flakes. All the toppings I have added here. Now place the tawa on low heat and let the pizza, place it on the tawa and cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Just put the lid and let it cook. Keep checking to avoid burning the base. You will get a fluffy and soft pizza with a like crunchy bottom and with a lot of air pockets, and you won't get that raw dough feeling when you eat it. So the dough looks very thick in terms of size, but then it's very, what do you say, it has a lot of air pockets, you won't get that raw eating feeling. So it's very yummy, guys. Please try this recipe, you will definitely like it. Nowadays kids like all fancy foods like pizzas and all that, so I would request you to make this at home and give it to your children. They'll be very happy. And if you like the recipe, then please do subscribe to my channel to support me. That's all I want from you. Thank you so much.